Good day, everyone. We continue with Chapter 8 and we are still under the subtopic 8.4, the normal distribution. But today we'll be looking at how to find probability of any normal distribution other than the standard normal distribution. If we are given any normal distribution expressed as X is a normal distribution with mu and sigma square. Remember that mu is mean and sigma square is variance. Then we have to convert this into standard normal distribution so that we can use the standard normal table. So this is the expression for standard normal distribution. Observe that mean must always be 0 and variance must always be 1. So the formula to convert the normal distribution into standard normal distribution is using this formula, which is Z is equals to X minus mu over standard deviation. Let us now look at example 12. The random variable X is a normal distribution with mean 30 and variance 16, and we can express this into X normal distribution with mean 30, and remember that this we have to write in sigma square so that we can see the standard deviation or the sigma right away, because that is what we're going to use. So find probability of X greater than 37. So this one is a normal distribution. To be able to use the standard normal table, we have to convert this into standard normal distribution. So this is the formula. So probability of Z greater than, now we are using this formula to convert this 37 into a value of standard normal distribution. So substitute into this equation. X is 37, mu is 30, and sigma is 4. So therefore, now the normal distribution is converted into the standard normal distribution. And the question now is, find the probability of Z greater than 1.75. And for this one, for this question, we can now refer to the standard normal table for the probability. So after checking the standard normal table, this is the probability that we get. B. Find the probability of X lesser than 33. So we need to convert this into standard normal distribution using this formula. After substituting all the values, this is the question in standard normal distribution, which is asking us to find probability of Z lesser than 0.75. Observe that Z is lesser than a positive value. So if it is lesser than positive value, we know that the value of Z is at positive, but it goes towards the left. So the area actually has crossed over from the left tail area to the right tail area. We can see from here that the value of Z is positive, but it says it's lesser, so it's actually going towards the left, but it's starting from the positive value. So therefore, the area has crossed over to the right tail area. So to do this, we have to take the probability of the whole bell curve minus with the probability of this small area here. So that's what it is. 1 minus the probability of this greater than this, which is probability of Z greater than 0.75. So therefore, from the standard normal table, we found that the probability for Z greater than 0.75 is this. And therefore, that is our final answer, 0.7734. And it is consistent because when the probability is more than 0.5 means the area is more than half. Question C. Find the probability of x in between 32 and 39. Observe that both values are positive. So we can imagine that the indicated area is at the positive side. So before we find the probability, we have to convert this into standard normal distribution. So as usual, use this formula. After substituting all the values, this is the question in standard normal. It says that find the probability of z in between 0.5 and 2.25. So both are still positive value. So the area, the indicated area, is still at the right hand tail. And to find the probability for this is actually how it looks like. To find the probability for this, we just find the probability of the bigger area here minus the smaller area here. So that's how it looks like. Probability of z greater than 0.5 from here until the end, minus probability of z greater than 2.25, which is from here until the end. So if you do so, then the area left is only the shaded one. So find the probability from the standard normal table, and that is our final answer, 0.2963. Question D, the last question of example 12. Find the probability of x in between 25 and 34. We can see that both values here are positive, but we need to make sure that the area is really at the right hand tail by converting this into standard normal distribution. So this is the formula to convert, and substitute all the values. Therefore, this is the question in standard normal distribution. Find the probability of z in between negative 1.25 to 1. So observe that one of the values is negative and the other value is positive. So we can see that the area now, part of that is at the left tail and the other part is at the right tail. So this is how it looks like. And to find the probability for this, what we need to do is to take the probability of the whole bell curve, which is equals to 1, minus the probability for this area, which we can check it from the standard normal table, and also minus this area here. And to be able to find the probability from the standard normal table, we have to convert this to the right tail first. So this is how it looks like. 1, which is the probability of the whole area of that bell curve, minus probability of z greater than 1.25. So it's actually this area, but we convert it to the right tail, and minus probability of z greater than 1. So from this standard normal table, these are the probabilities for this and that. And so the final answer is 0.6357. That's it for now. Thank you. Stay safe and have a nice day, everyone. Bye.